Hello, myself Jyoti Marapalle.
Hello, myself Shweta Pasani.
Hello, myself Tanuja Jadhav.
We are here to discuss our idea in Sparkathon 2024, and our idea name is SkySwift, in which we try to implement DMedic system, which stands for Drone Medic System. And this idea is useful for those who are in an emergency situation. We can deliver medicines from one place to another place. By using this idea, we can help the needy people.
These are some of the problems that can be seen during any delivery. First is time sensitivity. Prompt treatment is often crucial. Delays can significantly affect outcomes, particularly in cases like heart attack or strokes. Second one is physical strain. The job often involves long hours of riding or walking, carrying heavy packages, and dealing with weather conditions, all of which lead to physical exhaustion and health issues like back pain or repetitive strain injuries. Third one is environmental impact. Vehicle emission contribute to air pollution and carbon footprints, particularly for diesel-powered trucks and vans used in delivery operation. Fourth one is package handling and damage. Poor handling of packages during loading, transit, and unloading can lead to damaged goods, especially if vehicles are not properly equipped to handle fragile of sensitive items.
Hello everyone, we are here to discuss about the solutions. First, use high quality packaging. Second, use SkySwift technology. Third, use technology for monitoring. Fourth, train employees on proper handling. Fifth, implement a feedback loop.
Following are the areas of use where we can use the SkySwift technology. We can use SkySwift technology in healthcare and in a food delivery also. We can use drones to deliver medicines to a rural, mountains, or islands communities where traditional delivery methods are slow or unavailable. And also, drones can deliver food faster, reduce human contact, and navigate difficult terrains or congested areas more efficiently.
Just now, Jyoti Marapale told us where we can use drones, and also there are many benefits of using drones. That is, first one, precision delivery. Drones can deliver supplies directly to specific locations, such as hospitals, clinics, or even individual homes with high accuracy. Second one is emergency deliveries. Drone can be used for urgent deliveries, such as medical supplies, organs, for transplant or essential goods in emergency, providing critical aid quickly. Third one is 24 by 7 availability. Drone can operate continuously regardless of time of day or night. This is crucial in emergencies where every minute counts. Fourth one is reduce the traffic congestion. By moving a portion of deliveries from roads to air, drones can help reduce traffic congestion in urban areas.
Well done, Tanuja. We are here to discuss about the key features of our medic system. First one, disinfection. Drones were used to spray disinfectants over large areas such as public spaces, hospitals, and quarantine zones. Second one, autonomous navigation. Drones use GPS and sensors to navigate and avoid obstacles, allowing for autonomous delivery routes. Third one, documents and small equipments. Drones can be used to quickly transport documents, prototypes, and small pieces of equipment. Fourth one, search and rescue operations. Drones can aid in locating individuals in distress, particularly in difficult terrain or areas affected by natural disasters. Next, we discuss about the description or our DMedic system. Drone delivery refers to the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, that is UAVs, commonly known as drones, to transport goods from a distribution point directly to a customer or specified location. Drones can quickly navigate to remote or congested locations. This technology enhances response time and can significantly improve patient outcomes by ensuring essential medical resources arrive as possible as.
Okay, here are the basic steps to develop the drone. It includes five major components such as autonomous drone, obstacle detection and avoidance, healthcare platforms, ETA calculation system, REST API. And by using five of the components, we can develop the drone.
These steps are describe implementation steps. First one is doctor portal. Doctor update prescription in client's profile. Second one is patient app. Patient can order their prescription and first aid kits. Third one is pharmacy portal. Pharmacy load the drone with the ordered medicine and deploy the drone. Fourth one is autonomous drone. Drone deliver the packages to the patient or customer. How drone can save lives. Delivering urgent supplies, transferring medical samples between labs, reacting quickly during disaster.
So here is the result and discussion. Prescription handling and logistic management are managed by platform side of the system. Doctor portal is used to add prescription to a particular patient profile. This feature helps doctor to determine the best prescription of a patient. Also, DMedic system uses dedicated web applications. Pharmacy portal to handle order management and delivery management. This portal can list the order made by the patients and notify them about their order progress. Also, here is the mobile application interface. In first application, in a first interface, we are seeing that we can send packages from one place to another place, and in a second interface, we can see that here is the area we can select where from the order to pick and where to receive the order, and after that we can choose the size of the box or of the package, how the what is the weight of the package, and after that we can here is the we can include the summary, and after that we can order the product, and this order will lift by the drone, and nearest drone will receive that order, and after that drone will safely and after